In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. So if you can't edit your Word document because the selection is locked, there's two different ways that we can fix this. The first is you need to come over to File in the top left navigation, click on Info from the left hand side. So from this window, you need to click on Protect Document, and you need to make sure that both Restrict Editing and Mark as Final are both disabled. So to disable either of these, you simply just click on it. So you can see here that I've got Restrict Editing turned on at the moment. So if I just click on it like so, on the right hand side, click on Stop Protection, and that's going to go ahead and turn off restrictive editing. If I come back over to File in the top left hand side and click on Info, click on Protect Document, Mark as Final is another one you need to make sure is turned off. Currently, I don't have this option checked, so I'm just going to leave this. Now, the second thing you need to do is close out of your Word document and then head over to your File Explorer on your computer. From the left hand side, click on This Computer, head over to your C drive, click on Program Files, come all the way down to Microsoft Office and click this, click on Office 16, and what you need to do is find the file with the extension .exe, and you're just going to right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Once you've ran this file, you can then launch up your Word document, and that should have now fixed any issues you were getting. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.